Hello, YouTubers. This is day 26 of my 100 days of practice, and I'm getting ready to produce a new class where, well, actually, it's three in one. And the class will be utilizing past artwork as an underpainting, and I'll be doing three different paintings. I don't know if it'll be three different classes, but it'll be utilizing past artwork as an underpainting for a floral, abstract port, abstract portrait and abstract cows. And so, as I'm getting prepared to produce those courses, online courses, I am just kind of working through my process and coming up with a simple design that I feel like would translate well for teaching folks, and it's like my students to have a good result. But in this particular painting, it's a very intuitive. I'm just picking colors that I love. I started out with, when you're utilizing past artwork, I'll just say this, when you're utilizing past artwork as an underpainting, you do want to use an opaque medium for obvious reasons. But I like to use these wax pastels and start out with them because they're semi-opaque, and I find it exciting just to see what develops as you start painting in, because that underpainting is showing through. And so I find all that very interesting and exciting, and I don't know what's going to happen, so I enjoy it. And so this entire painting, as I went into it, I didn't have much of a plan. I just started intuitively picking colors, and you can see that I switched over from the Neocolor 2s, just because they weren't really quite opaque enough, over to some Shinhan hybrid gouache. It's a hybrid between watercolor and gouache, and I really enjoy it. And it's a little more opaque, so I wanted that background to stick out a little bit more, so I grabbed the gouache so that I could um, lighten it up and then also make it a little more opaque. And so I just continue to put in some white gouache in between layers, and just lightened up a little bit in the background. And so this painting is sped up 8 times as fast. So I think the actual painting took me about 40 minutes, and I think this video will be about 5 minutes. And I like to do that because I don't want to bore folks. I am thinking about releasing day 27 though as a ASMR type of video, because I wasn't really talking, but there's a lot of scratching and mark making sounds going on, and I thought that might be interesting, and I've always wanted to do one of those videos, but we'll see. So right here, I'm just adding some colors, and when I started to add the orange, which I think I haven't quite gotten there in this yet. I'm doing a voiceover on this, but once I start adding that orange in, it really just starts coming alive and becoming so much more exciting. And I don't know, but I think that I'm starting that in there pretty quickly. So yeah, I think it came out really great in the end. It's one of those things where you're painting, 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 and it's like, is it going to come together? Is this going to happen? And then it just comes together and it happens. And I really like the way that it came out. And yeah, there you go. As always, if you have found this video helpful at all, or you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, leave a positive review, blah, blah, blah. All those things you do on the internet that cost you nothing but mean a lot on the internet. Hey, thanks for watching. Bye. See you tomorrow.